Dawn's Inspirations here. If you haven't pressed subscribe and like to my YouTube channel, please do. And don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram so you'll see all what's going on. But I wanted to share these with you today. This is a folio made from my Slimline, because it's only 1/2 inch wide, Mix and Match Folio System. So it means they're magnetically shut. It means you have the choice and variety of what layouts or what configurations you want to use in each of the folios you make. So here I've got obviously big photomat sizes. I could quite easily just pop 2 photographs on there, but I've used the lovely embellishments that come here with the Laurel Grove. So I'm going to put photos behind here because you can, and you've got those lovely sentiments as well. So when we open this up, you've got the fabulous papers going on here, more spaces to add photographs. You can go portrait or you could go landscape. The choice is yours. But you're going to put photos on the back. You're going to put photos on these as well. So you've got lots of space. We've got waterfalls. We've got magnetic waterfalls. So again, lots of space for adding all those photographs. So you can add in as many as you like. Now, if you take more landscape photographs, all you're going to do is do your waterfalls on the side, and then you can do landscape photographs. So it gives you more choice. But let's look on the other side and see what we've got. We open this up. We've got a nice big pocket. Great for adding more photo mats, keeping your memorabilia safe. It's all in there. You can make little booklets from cut aparts that you've got in the collection. This is from the 12x12 version of the Laurel Grove. It all fits inside to make some nice little booklets that you can do your hidden journaling in about the event. So there's a nice pocket there. I've got the rub-ons that I've used here, and don't forget, inside your pockets you can still add photographs. You can still stick photographs behind here, no problem at all. This is all from the ephemera collection as well. So you've got all these pieces on here, all this lovely wording, beautiful papers. You've got those beautiful gems going on here as well. They're absolutely fabulous. We go on, we've got a double crisscross page. So let's take those out of there. You could quite easily put a large photo mat in here. I've just used some of the cut aparts from the beautiful Laurel Grove collection because I can put photographs on the back, and then I've got those lovely sentiments on the front. I've made another little booklet, brilliant for adding my hidden journaling. So if you don't like your writing, you can still do your journaling about the event. So all inside there in this lovely Slimline Mix and Match folio from Dawn's Inspirations. This one is used the Laurel Grove. I'll leave the links below and I'll see you soon.